The Ferrari Enzo, named after the company's founder Enzo Ferrari, is one of the most legendary supercars ever created by Ferrari. Introduced in 2002, the Enzo was designed to embody the pinnacle of Ferrari's engineering, blending Formula One technology with a road-going supercar experience. The car was unveiled as a celebration of Ferrari's success in Formula One during the early 2000s and was intended to showcase the brand's expertise in performance, innovation, and design. At the heart of the Ferrari Enzo is a naturally aspirated 6.0-liter